Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today on the show we have Rob Taylor, a solution architect here at AWS, who's here to talk all things press releases. So Rob, before a developer writes a single word of code, they're encouraged to write a press release. What is a press release?
So a press release is basically just a mock version of what the press might say after a particular service has been announced or a feature has been released.
Okay, and why do we have them?
So we have them to basically make people think about how customers would actually value what they're doing. So a lot of times people might come to you and say, we should really do this. And it's not being driven by what customers want and potentially the data that they've collected for why we should do something might not be that clear. But a press release really encourages a clarity of thought in terms of, we need to get people to think about who wants this, why would they be excited about it, how does it actually impact our customers today, and will it help our customers in the future?
Yeah, I mean, it definitely makes you think critically about your idea and what the customer will actually gain from it.
Yeah.
Normally with a press release, there's an FAQ attached to the back of it. Can you tell us about what's the FAQ part?
Sure. So I'm sure we've all had meetings where someone's shown up and had an idea, and then the only answers you get out of the meeting are, that's a very good question. And that's not a satisfying or effective way to really communicate. So the FAQ really gets you to think about, why might someone object to what I'm doing? Why might someone have some questions about data I presented? Or why does this need to exist at all? And oftentimes the FAQ really helps you kind of see around those corners and let people know the answers to those questions ahead of time.
So we've spoken about narratives in one of our previous videos. Why would you use a press release versus a narrative? When would you use either one?
So I've seen both used for individual projects. I've seen projects with a PR FAQ, and I've seen projects with a narrative. And effectively, there are a few different reasons to prefer each one. Narrative is generally something where you have a clear set of data, might want to change a process. And a PR FAQ is more in line with, I want to release something new, and here's what you might want to know about it, and here's why people would be excited about it, and here's the data I have, and here are the answers to what you might say.
Rob, thank you so much for your time today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Cool.
See you. Bye.